friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows update error code 0x800f0989 in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to go run command. For that you need to key Windows plus R button. Then type here %temp%. Then click on OK. In this, select all folders, then click on delete. After that, close this window, open your settings, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshoot. You can see here Windows update, click on run. Wait for completion. After that, close this window. Open your file explorer. Right click on C drive. Click on properties. Then select here disk cleanup. Check Windows error reports and feedback options. Then click clean up system files. This window. Go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, then type here sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. Wait for 100%. After complete 100%, close this window, then restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.